So for this one, okay, this is I just follow the questions from the textbook. Okay, given the point O, okay, and point Q, okay. So in the circles, now we want to construct a diameter that passes through the point Q, okay, and the O. So just very simple. You just connect using the ruler. Now can you hear me right? Everybody? Yes, okay, just
Yes,
connect the
teacher.
2 points. And okay, extend the line until reach the circumference. Okay. So just draw using your ruler. Make sure you use your ruler. Okay. Then that's it. That's your diameter. Then you can label it diameter here. Okay, sometimes that technical problem or line problem, so please be aware and let me know on the spot, okay? So that not I finish everything already, teacher, just now we cannot hear your voice, then done, okay? So I have to repeat over again. So this one can, diameter for the second one, okay? So the next one, number 3, is to construct chords, okay, of 3 centimeter. Okay, this still using, you see, refer your textbook, 78. Later you follow the step. Now I show you on screen. Later you have to do it on your own. Okay, so for this one, I have to draw a circle first. Okay, because from the in the book, they're already given a circle. Okay, so I choose to be 5 centimeter. Okay, circle. So this, oh, sorry. I have to put the O first, else later cannot determine where is the center. Okay, put the O here first. So this is a 5 centimeter circle. Okay, so that is my O. Okay, my center. Okay, this is O here. Now they ask to find what? Construct 2 chords of 3 centimeter in length from point P on a circle. But if 3 centimeter, I think this is too small here. Okay, let me measure first. See, manage to do it not. Okay, so if 3 are very short, okay, cannot. So I make it, I choose to put it bigger lah. Okay, I make it 6, I think. 6 to be okay. Okay, this one I don't follow the textbook because I cannot use the exact size in the textbook. Okay, so this one I try to make the chord for 8 centimeter. So this is 8 centimeter, 6 centimeter. Okay, so you still the same thing. You have to measure. Okay, measure using the compass, put on the ruler to measure the length. Always do the same thing when you need the size. Okay, so put your compass. Okay, let's say this is given from a question here. Let's say starting this point. Okay, they want to construct a chord from this point. Okay, this is P. Okay, this is P from the textbook. I didn't follow exactly lah. I just show you all the way. Okay, show you all the way so that later you know how to do it at home. Okay, so P. Okay, now I want to draw a chord, right? But this one textbook say 3 centimeter. But for me, 3 centimeter so too small. I cannot show you all, so I put it 6. So same thing, the sharp point of your compass put at the P, point P. Put on a point P, then turn your compass. Okay, you can see or not? Okay, so make sure you make a cut, okay, or make an arc on the circumference. So now this is 6, right? So I make a mark. After that, use ruler to join up the point. This is your chord. Okay, I have to turn a bit. I use red color because I want to show you all the point. Okay, which touches the circumference. Have to be measured. Okay, now okay. So I use back to black color. Okay, so now connect. Okay, so this is my chord. This chord is 6 centimeter. So you have to label 6 centimeter here. Okay, so if you want to draw another chord, let's say now just now 6 centimeter. Now I want to make another construct another chord, which is example a 9 centimeter. 9 centimeter, still the same thing. You have to measure using your compass, put on the ruler. Okay, grab, put, have to open until you reach 9 centimeter. Okay, not yet for me this one. Okay, 9 here. Okay, already 9 okay. Any point on the circumference lah. Let's say this is I start here. I will start the point here. Another one. Okay. So sorry. So make a cut. Okay, so this is my point, starting point here. Why I need the point? Because there's a starting point and this is the ending point. Okay, starting ending point connect together will be form your chord lah. Okay. So use your ruler to join up the 2 point. Okay. So make sure you adjust correctly your ruler on the circumference. Okay. So now okay correctly. Sorry. I have to change back to the black color. Okay. So I connect. So take away your ruler. So this is another chord. This is the sound. How many centimeters now? Already 9 centimeter. So now I label 9 centimeter. I want you all to do the exercise and want you all to make a short video. Okay, but of course, when you do the video to show me how you work out, you have to ask someone to record for you lah. Unless you have the selfie stick, then you can put your handphone. Okay, so ask your mom to help you, ask your brother or sister to help you. So we have done the part here, which is construct 2 chord of 3. This is not 3 centimeter, but it's 6 centimeter and 9 centimeter. Depends on the questions from the form of exercise book. Okay, everybody? Can understand or not the way to do it? Even though I show you on screen, not physically. Yes, okay, good. So the last one, construct a sector. Okay. So construct a sector. Okay, now same thing. I need this to draw circles. Okay. So every time when you draw a circle, make sure you make mark a center first. Mark center, then only you know. Okay, for the questions from the textbook is 2 centimeter. So I don't follow 2 because 2 is very small. So I make it 4 centimeter lah. For me, I no need to put on the ruler. I just show you all because why? Because I have this one. You can see the length. So I make it 4. Okay, 4. So okay, this is 4 centimeter. Okay, 4 centimeter circles. Then I need my ruler. Okay, because I need the radius. Okay, from here you can see it's a 4 centimeter lah. Okay, this is exactly like the textbook already. Now the question is what? To construct a circle, a sector with an angle of 60 degrees. If you want to construct a sector, you need another tool, which is your protractor. So this is your protractor, okay? Still remember how to use the protractor or not? You remember or not? I think I don't need this one already, so I take out first. Okay, this is your protractor. Look at the scale. Okay, so remember or not? You have the outside one, have the inside one. The outside one, what you call outside one? Refer to your textbook, page 79. Recall back. This one I think you all learned in Form 1 already. The name of the protractor. Outside we call outer scale. Inside we call it inner scale. The middle one, this one called what?
Origin.
Origin or center lah. Okay, sometimes we call origin, some we call at center. Can be center also. Okay, the midpoint, the pusat. Okay, so this line here we call baseline. So when we want to measure our angle, make sure from this baseline, this one we call it baseline. Can see or not? This is our baseline. So this 10, 20, 30, 40. This one when we're using the outer scale. Okay, so if you want to use the inner scale, we're starting from the right side. So this is considered 10, 20, 30, 40, until here it is 90. 90 definitely is the right angle, right? Not. So now you see your line is here. So we want to use the outer scale or inner scale to measure the 60 degrees. Please respond. Which scale do you have to refer to? Nak baca skala mana? Yang luar ke yang dalam? Rahana respond ni. The rest? How about the rest? Yang nak guna dalam ke luar? Batteries? Ada lagi tak? Batteries? Nak guna skala dalam ke skala luar? Nak rujuk mana? Ni kosong ya. Ni kosong. 10, 20. Ni. Sebelah tu dah 10. Ini cikgu sebab komputer. So kalau you manual tu memang you tengok you punya protractor lah. You kena baca sendiri. So outer. Okay. Iza pun kata outer Nasrin. Yes. So we refer to the outer. So kita nak ukur. So you put your protractor. This is your center. So center must be refer to the origin. Mesti meletak sampai origin. Tepat-tepat tu. Lepas tu mula dengan baseline ni. Line yang baseline ni kan. Line yang kamu lukis tu yang nak mula tu mesti dekat baseline. Sini kalau tak nampak ni. Nampak tak? So ini mesti tengah-tengah center. Center. Kalau tak boleh you have to adjust lah. You have to pusing sehingga matching okay the baseline here. Starting point here. Okay boleh nampak dengan jelas apa yang cikgu rujuk sini tengah-tengah ni origin tu mesti tak kat pusat. Okay, at the center. So now we want to measure 60. So then okay 60 is here. Cepat. Tapi sekarang nak lukiskan I can sebab ini cikgu punya computer apps dia boleh buat macam ni. Okay, so sampai sini kalau kamu buat, kamu kena mark. Kalau kamu manual buat, kamu mark point di sini. You mark a point here, buat satu dot di sini, guna pencil anda, mark a point. Okay, then join up the line. Okay, untuk cikgu sebab cikgu ada apps ni boleh guna pakai terus. Okay, so adjust dulu. I tekan sahaja nanti dia dah dapat dah. Okay, this one I take here. Sudah lebih 1 darjah. Again, okay, because showing 61 means lebih sikit dah. Okay, 60 here. Okay. So di sini cikgu tekan sini. Cikgu lupa buat yang tu. Okay. So this one extra punya boleh padam lah. You can go and rub, okay, or erase the part that extra here. Itu pun dah terpadam dah. Sekali lagi ya. Supaya tak perlu padam cikgu. Okay, ni dah 60 dah. So this one you have to mark here lah. Sini, mark sini. This one you put 60 degree here. Okay. So for you to do, you put your protractor here. Then you mark a point here. Kalau kamu buatlah cikgu punya sini kan. So ini point 60, you boleh tandakan 60. Okay. Let's see here. Okay, you use a pencil to mark here. I cannot idea because the tools is that. Okay, you have to mark here. Okay, sudah jadi buat satu mark di sini. Contohnya di sini. Sudah mark sini. Then you use your ruler. Kamu punya line daripada cikgu sebab cikgu guna komputer. Dia boleh buat terus. Boleh. So kamu kena dah mark 60 kat sana. Guna pembaris. Sambungkan sahaja. Tak payah sambung sampai titik yang kamu buat tu lah. You just connect from the center until reach the circumference ni. Clear or not? This is how you construct a sector for 60 degrees. Kalau nak 90, sama aja. Letak balik di sini. Center, you want to change. Let's say the questions ask you to construct a 90 degree. So this is 90 degree. Okay, so 90 degree, same thing. You mark a point here. Then use your ruler to join up the point. Okay. So 90. So this one will be your 90 degree. Okay, kalau nak sudut yang lain daripada 90, contohnya 135, you just follow lah. Okay, just follow. Okay, sampai 120, 30. Kalau separuh, if half of it, semicircle is 180. Okay, so everybody clear how to construct a circle? Please show me your thumbs. We already finished the part 5.1.2. Okay, on Monday we are not managed to cover this part. Okay. Okay, please show me your thumbs, everybody. FL for the 5.1.2, constructing a circle. Any questions? No, okay, good. Okay. So this is the symmetry and chords for the 5.2. Okay, so this is our learning standard cover for 5.2.1. So you need to verify and explain that the diameter of a circle is the axis of symmetry of the circle. Then the second one, the radius is perpendicular to a chord, bisect the chord and vice versa. Perpendicular bisector of two chords intersect at the center. Okay, this part is quite boring, but it's a, how to say, this is a fact, okay, that you need to remember in order for you to answer all the questions in future. Okay, this is a basic that you need to know. Okay, if you don't know or cannot remember all these properties, okay, then later you cannot solve the problems in given a diagram. Okay, number 4, chords that are equal in length produce arc of the same length and vice versa. Okay, the main, one more, the last one, chords that are equal in length are equal distance from the center of the circle and vice versa. So you have to remember all the properties, okay, in order for you to solve the questions for the solve the problems for the circles. Okay, so in the circles, okay, do you know circles has how many axes of symmetry or not? Anybody know? Respond in the chat, or you can turn on your mic to respond. How many axes of symmetry for a circle? Agak-agak ada berapa axis symmetry bagi sebuah bulatan? Give me a number. 1, Rahana. Okay, Aliyah put 2, some put 4. Okay, any other answer? When a circle you fold into half, that is one of the axis of symmetry, right? Okay, then you fold another half, terbalik. Separuh dah kan, boleh kecil lagi kan? So dah ada 2. Then you still can fold it or not? Can or not? Boleh lagi fold tak? So some 4 can, still can fold. Then until how many that you can fold? Anybody got paper or not? I can try to make it, try to fold it. A lot. Okay, can you say a lot? A lot is how many of them? Don't know. Can you count it? How many of them? Some put 8, some put infinity or Rahana. Yes. Okay. Actually, it's infinite. Okay, because there's a lot. Okay, like what Kesha mentioned here. Okay. So this is one of the property. The circle has infinite numbers of axes of symmetry. Because any straight line that passes through the center is the axis of symmetry of the circle. So it's infinite. Ketakterhinggaan, infinity lah. Okay, infinite number. So banyaklah cannot say 3, 4, 5. Okay, it's infinite, cannot be counted. Tak boleh dikira. Okay, tak dapat dikira lah. Okay, so this is first properties. Okay, then diameter of a circle is the axis of symmetry of the circle. Means the diameter must be, this is the center, right? Mesti melalui pusat, itu panggil diameter. Diameter that you learn first parts of circle, right? So diameter of a circle is the axis of symmetry. Salah satu lah. So this property you have to remember. Okay, the second one, radius. Okay, radius from the center also. Radius from here to here, radius. Perpendicular to the chord, bisect the chord. This is the chord, right? When you draw a radius and this is a chord, any chord, then definitely that is bisector. Bisector means the left and right is the same size, same length. Panjang di sini adalah sama panjang, same size. Okay, so ini kena ingat lah. Salah satu properties, radius that is perpendicular to a chord. Okay, sometimes in questions given like this, you know, that will show you the symbol here, sama. Tapi dia lukis 2 line sini. buat satu segitiga, draw a triangle, ask you to find the length here, but given the length here, so definitely length here is the same. So you have to remember this is one of the properties of a circle. Okay, if you cannot remember this property, then you cannot solve the questions. Okay, even though another side is given the value, but you don't know that actually it's an equal length. Okay, so you have to remember perpendicular to the chord, bisect the chord. Okay, so it means same length. So another one, perpendicular bisector of two chords. This one two chord, right? One chord here and one here. But this still, see the radius here. Can see or not? Radius here. So still same length. Meet the center of the circle. Perpendicular bisector of two chords meet the center of the circle. Okay. Okay, Kesha, so technically it's every 2 points. What you want to mention here? Every 2 points, it means that just now the symmetry or about the chords? Which one? What you want to comment? So far, these 3 properties can remember? Boleh ingat semua? Okay, ada 2 lagi. Another 2. Okay, 5, right? So another one is equal chords. Equal chord means this is when you construct, let's say 5 centimeter. This one 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter. The equal chords of the same length produce arc of the same length. Maknanya panjang lengkok dia adalah sama. So after that, nanti 5.3, you will learn the length of arc. Length of arc, then the area of the sector, and so on. So remember, if the chords, okay, same equal chords sama, perentas yang sama, panjang, maknanya dia punya lengkok pun sama. The length of arc also same here, from here. This is one of the property. Okay, all knowledge they have to remember. So another one, equal chords also, equal distance from the center. So it means that from center to the chord, the length also same. Sama panjang juga. Dia punya panjang daripada pusat sehingga perentas tu. When reach the chord here, the length is equal. So can you remember or not these 5 property, okay, of the circle, means that features in a circle. Okay, I don't ask you all to do the simulations on the page 81 because I want to rush, okay, as your syllabus is very slow, so I give you all directly. So far, okay or not? Define these 5 properties. Please respond. Boleh ingat tak ciri-ciri, 5 ciri-ciri ni? Can remember? Yes or no? Yes or no, class? So respond on the chat. Not really. Okay, so not really, then you have to nanti kena tengok balik Okay, 50-50. So because there's a lot, but remember, equal chords, equal length of arc. Then one more thing is what? Equal chord, equal length from the center to the chord. So actually, when you keep on doing the things that keep on repeat the same thing, then you can remember. So okay, we can see why we need to know the 5. Why it's important for us to know all these properties, because we need to solve the problems. Okay, so these questions, okay, you see the O center here, the line MN. Okay, so what is the line MN called? Here mentioned it is a chord. Okay, chord, part of circle you learned it. M and N is a chord. So what is the line POQ? What's the name of the POQ? Nama bagi POQ adalah apa?
Diameter.
Yes, diameter. Okay, good. Okay, now I'm asking part of circle. Okay, so it's diameter. So the first question is name the axis of symmetry of these circles. So from the diagram, which one is your axis of symmetry? Tell me, using the alphabet here, which one is the axis of symmetry from this diagram? What alphabet represent the axis of symmetry of this circle? Just now you say POQ is a diameter, right? The first property that I show you just now, remember or not? Look back to the learning standard. Diameter of a circle is an axis of symmetry of the circles. So can you answer the first questions? What is the answer for the first questions? Why PQ only? Missing O. There is a missing. If OB only, is it a axis of symmetry? OB only. And PQ, PQ is this one, center is O here, so POQ. Okay. Yes, good, Sabine. So not OB, OB is a radius, it's not a diameter. Also, I'm missing the, sorry, when I crop, there's a missing letter on top here. Okay, the letter on top here is A. Okay, A. So another is AOB. Okay, wait, I have to, this A here. Sorry, when I crop, I really tutup. Oops, okay. So AOB, so another one is your, beside POQ, another axis of symmetry is a AOB. Yes, okay, I saw the answer from the response at the chat. Good. So that's why you need to learn the properties. Okay, so you managed to answer the first questions. Okay, so which is AOB and POQ. Okay, that's like the second question is given OK. OK is 3. So you can label the diagram. This is 3 here. Okay, this is 3 here, label. This is 3. Okay, and NK is 4. NK is 4 centimeter. So calculate the length of ON. So they want to find this length. What is this? So how to do? You know, this is when you learn the properties, perpendicular bisector. This one and this one is equal length. And this one is what? Perpendicular bisector. So this is 90 degrees here. Remember or not? This one. A radius that is perpendicular to a chord bisect. Okay, this one. Perpendicular means 90 degrees. So you need to know that this is the second properties. So you know this is a right angle triangle. So refer back to your Pythagoras theorem. When this is a right angle triangle, you are using Pythagoras theorem to solve in order to find the length ON. Length ON is called what? In the Pythagoras. What's the name of ON? Besides using ON. Do you remember or not when you learn theorem Pythagoras Form 1, the last chapter? Yes, hypotenuse? Yes, Isa. Okay. So we want to find the longest length in the triangle, hypotenuse. So how you get a hypotenuse? You can see the formula here. Recall back. A square plus B square equal to C square. So you now you want to find a C. Now find a C. So this is 3 and 4. So how to get this one? But if you can remember the special triangle, you know that the answer already actually. Okay. So this is the diagram. 3, 4, and that's the what I scratched up there lah. So to get ON, so you have the ON square equal to 4 square, 3 square. Okay. So then how to get? Use a calculator lah. 4 square is 16. 3 square is 9. Square root, because we want to find ON only, not square here. So square root. So your answer is 5. So ON is 5 centimeter. So if you remember, this is a special triangle, is 3, 4, 5. You get used to it already. 3, 4, 5. The ON is 5 centimeter. So you have done the second question. Okay, this is correct. And this is correct. Okay, so now you can see number C. Angle that is equal to ONK. So which one is your ONK? Okay, I rub this one first. ONK. Which one is the ONK? O here, N here, K here. So the angle we refer to this. Means that this angle. ONK. So which one equal to this? Equal to this. Beside ONK, which angle that equal to ONK? That's not we learn this one also equal, right? Equal. So which one? Which angle is the same? Please respond in the chat your answer. Next time I have to make a name view. Every time I want to do it, forgot it. Okay, when I press the view, okay, then the name, whose name, then you have to answer my questions. OMK, yes, okay, because this is equal here. From here, we know because this is a radius, okay, and this is also equal. So this is also equal. So the angle, same lah. So it's OMK. When you give the name of the angle, the middle one must be referred to the angle, the position of the angle. So M. Or you don't want to put OMK, if you put angle M like this, also can. So the M can be accepted also. Okay, kalau tak buat OMK, ONK, this one you put angle N. Can, no problem. Okay, so the answer correct. Okay, So this one, okay, OMK, okay, or angle M. Okay, so far, so good, everybody? So next one. Okay, this is also a question from the textbook. I take the example from the textbook. So this is another diagram. So we want to find if the length MS is the length MS equal to the length of SN. Asking about the MS and the SN. Is it same? The question asks you to explain. Since you already go through this one already, all this already, these 5 properties. This one refer to which one? Which property? Refer to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Please respond. Okay, some say yes. Okay, so refer to which one? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Which one? Refer to which one? This, when we want to answer these questions, we have to refer to which properties or which features in the circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. Which one?
2.
2. This one. The rest? Agree or not? Okay, Rana say 5. Okay, 5 is chords, okay, that are equal in length, are equidistant from the center. Okay, but is this actually equal length, equidistant from the center of the circle? Okay, that's actually for number 5 is refer to this one. Refer to this one. So for this one, actually it's refer to the second one. Okay, a radius that is perpendicular. This one perpendicular. Okay, and bisect the chord. Bisect. Okay, bisect. Okay, so this one is the same. Okay, so you need to give your justification. Means that you need to explain. Explain means that you have to give give your justification. Write in letters lah. So yes, MS is equal to SN. You don't put yes only. You have to give your reason why you say is yes. Okay, the radius OP, which is perpendicular, bisects MN, which is refer to the second one. Okay, the second features. Okay, 2 more minutes. Okay, so I think we finish the part B lah. Okay, the part B pula, this one. If the radius of the circles is 10 centimeter, okay, this one is a 10 centimeter. Okay, and OS is 8 centimeter. Calculate the length of chord MN. They want to find this MN. You cannot get the whole thing MN. You can get the MS first. Okay, then equal length, so you just multiply by 2. So how to get the MS? Same thing here. You are using the Pythagoras theorem. 8 here, 10 here, right or not? So this is the longest, your hypotenuse. So you take this one, 10 square minus 8 square. Okay, just now we want to find the hypotenuse, then we plus, right or not? Now we want to find the shorter length, then you will have to use the longest length, go and minus. This one can understand now why we're using MS equal to square root of 10 square minus 8 square. Come from where? Come from the Pythagoras theorems, okay? So your MS is equal to 36 square root, so it's 6. Okay, since both same length, so it's equal to 12. So MN is equal to 12 centimeter. That's why we need to learn, or you need to go through all these 5 properties, because all is helping you all to answer the questions, okay, in futures. When you see whatever circles that give to you all, when there's a properties of the bisect, or they have the perpendicular, they have a radius, they have the axis of symmetry, anything, then you can use all these 5, you can answer all the questions. Because some of the diagram that didn't mention here is 90 degrees to you. But you can see this is a radius and this is a chord. So definitely this is 90. Okay, from here given lah. But sometimes the diagram is not given. Then you have to, that's why you have to remember all the properties. Okay, even though maybe for today, you still cannot remember all, but hopefully when you keep doing the exercise, then you can go through everything. Okay, there's one more example from the textbook. So I hope you all that later on have to go through. Okay, after this, okay, this one, the last one, you have to go through on your own. Okay, so I have to stop class today because already time showing 12:30. What you all have after this? Anybody know? You all got online class or tutorial?
Online class.
Online, okay. So last, I want you to just respond on the exit ticket. Okay, very fast one. So after respond this exit ticket, then you can leave the meeting. Okay, wait, very fast one. I just share the link. Okay, refer to your chat. Everybody, refer to the chat. Okay. Link. For those that cannot access the Jamboard, like just now, who are Nuha, Steffi, who else? Yeah. Okay, you just type your exit ticket at the chat because it's recording. Okay, recording. Then I still got the proof there lah. Okay. So please respond the exit ticket. Same thing like just now. You paste the sticky note, right? Okay, someone. Okay, Ada, very good. Okay, so exit ticket. You can comment. You can use 55, 1 to 5. Okay. Okay. What you feel after the lesson? And before I forgot, one more thing. Okay, your self practice exercise self practice for 5.1. Okay, do the question number 2 AB, 3 AB, 4 AB, and 5 AB. Okay, this is exercise for today. Okay, when you do the exercise at the same time, I want you all to each question make a video. Okay, show me how you do it. Okay, just a short one. Then I will ask you all to share in the Google Classroom. Okay. And that's it for the class today. Okay, let me check with the sticky note, the exit ticket. Don't put name, okay? Don't put name only. Okay, okay, yes, you have to rate. Okay, 3 or 4, yes. Name, then with the rate. Lara, where's your rate? Some put on the chat already, 3, 4, 5. Okay, beautiful is 3. Dying, okay, dying you enter late, right? Class just now. Just initially when I take attendance, the time you don't have. Nuha, why you Nuha? Nuha, you should rate 4. Okay, good. Inshira, 4. So then later when I share the recording in the Google Meet or in the Telegram, in the Google Classroom, please watch back. Part that you are missing. Okay. So far, normally all 4, 4, 4, but still got 3 lah, few of you. Why 3 sama terbalik already? Adam, 4. Okay. Then you all can comment. You can understand today, cannot understand, or you which part that you like blur. Okay, those that respond, you can leave the meeting already because maybe Pan Palimala, right? The next class. Worried that she's waiting. Okay, then later she's waiting for you. Okay, you can leave. You may leave. Okay, thank you very much. See you all next week.
Okay, thank you, teacher.
Okay, bye.
Thank you, teacher.
Okay, welcome.